Okay, we're about to take off to go get some breakfast, and we got some great news about Hope, and we'll get to that in a second. But the VA came through. Let's just say when she spoke to the knee surgeon, everything was there. The MRI, the X-ray.
Yeah, we had everything. We brought everything in. I brought my med list. I brought all my other information and my meds in case they needed to verify it. And we had, like you said, the MRI, the X-rays, everything that we were required to bring with us or extra. And because we had everything, instead of going in at our time that was 2 hours later, it had been raining down there too, and everybody called out from Wilmington not to go to their appointment. And we got to go in right away.
So we'll give you the update in a little bit. Okay, so we are at Aldi about to go shopping. See, Aldi. Got our bags. But the good news is on the not on the 13th, on the 9th,
I got my pre-op.
You got pre-op, and then the following week, the 17th,
I have surgery. I know, just go in and take the meniscus out because that's torn.
So it's not as bad as we thought it was originally.
And the fractured tibia healed itself, and he said it'll be fine.
So it's not a complete knee replacement like we were scared it was going to be.
Yeah.
But the doctor said it's going to be walk in, have the surgery, and be able to walk out the same day.
Yeah.
Which to me is just amazing.
Yeah. And my post-op will be the 31st.
31st.
And then in August, we'll be on the road.
Of July. This is all happening next month, July.
Yeah.
So that is the brilliant news that we got for Hopi.
And on the road in August.
So hopefully August we'll be heading Devil's Tower.
Yeah, all that cool stuff. You're having a brain fart, aren't you?
Yeah, where are we going?
We're gonna go see South Dakota and go see the Indian and Mount Rushmore and the Indian ones that they put in, the new ones.
Yeah, so
and Kevin hasn't seen any. I got to see them because I was stationed there for a while. So.
Yeah, I've always wanted to see them. So that's where we're going to be heading. But that's the good news from Hope. So just an update. And we thank you.
We love you.
Cheers,
We appreciate you watching us.
Okay, so we just got back from Aldi and picked up something there. Now, if you've watched the channel for the past, say, year or two, you know that there's one product I really love, and that is the Evapolar or Evapolar, a little swamp cooler, a little mini AC. Got two of these for the van actually. I've used them for the past 2.5 years, and we swear by them. Yeah, we got the big AC, but this little thing here really cools the van down. And we've used this more than our EcoFlow, the Wave 2 AC. So we're in Aldi today and picked up something which way cheaper, and it might actually be just as good. We'll soon find out. So we found this. This was 16 bucks. 16 bucks. So I'm gonna unbox it. I'm gonna set it up, and I'm gonna see how it runs. See if this will be good. So yeah, here we go. Hey, also while we were in there, we picked up a couple of new fans. Picked up this fan. We've already got fans for the van, but you can never have enough if you ask me. But what I like about this one, reading the box and stuff, it's got 3 speeds, high, medium, and low. But you can also set it for 1 hour, 2 hours, or 4 hours. So you can put it on a timer. So like when we go to bed at nighttime, set it for 2-3 hours. After that, it'll turn itself off. So yeah. It's also got max. So yeah, really looks like it's worked pretty good. Moves quite a good bit of air. So yeah, picked up these. These were pretty cheap. So another thing at Aldi. Gotta love that place. Okay, so according to my temperature gauge, it is 87 degrees outside at 11 o'clock in the morning. So the hat's definitely coming off. Okay, so this is the portable LED air cooler. Cools the air, top filling water, removable water tank, 3 speeds, built-in LED motion light, automatic color changing, LED motion light that can be switched on or off, and it uses 5 watts of power. So let's take a look at this thing. That's your instructions, and it is USB-C, so that's good. Nice little brick. Okay. Let's get this thing out. Okay, this is a tiny little thing. I mean, look at this. I mean, look at it. Tiny little thing. And we'll see how it works. Okay. I like the little carrying handle though. That's pretty neat. Okay, this must be the water tank. Nope, that is the filter, a washable filter. Unlike the Vapour, the filter's good in that for maybe 3 months max. We used it for a year though, but those are pretty expensive. This you can actually wash, so we'll see how this works. We shall see. Let's angle you down just a wee bit more. There you go. Okay, so I plugged it in. It's got this brilliant little carrying handle. I absolutely love it. So let's fill it with water. So fill it with water, there's 2 ways you can do it. You can pull out the tray on the back, fill that with water, or remove the little top piece and take it to a tap, fill it up. I'm going to use this. Okay, see how much water it takes though. It does have a minimum and a maximum line right here. So that's pretty good. Not bad. Okay. Let's turn this around. Let's get you a little bit closer to it so we can see the front face of it. Okay, so that is it. It is already on. Turn that on there. It's got 3 speeds. It's also got different light modes. Pretty good little night light. Yeah, I like that. And I'm gonna let it run for a couple minutes. And see how cold the air is coming out of it. It's also got these louvers on the front. And they work really good, directing the air. Definitely feels cooler. Okay, so I'm in the bed right now, just laying down. Put the little evaporator cooler, the AC, what you want to call it, where we set the Vapour up usually, right there. And I can feel a difference. It is definitely cooler air coming this way. Is it as good as the Vapour? No. But for 16 bucks, that's money well spent. I will definitely be using this. We will definitely be using this when we take off in about 2 more months. So, yeah. I'm really happy with that. Really happy. Okay, so this is the three major components. You got the body and the fan, you got the water tray, and you've got the, I'm going to call it the wick. Now this wick still feels dry after being running for about 10 minutes, so I'm going to try something different. I'm going to soak this in the sink before we add water to it and see if it makes a big difference. We soaked it for about 2 minutes there and got it on high, and honestly there's a big difference. So the first time you use it, I would definitely soak the screen, not the screen, the filter in water for about a couple minutes. Yeah, this is definitely well worth the money of 16 bucks. A little baby swamp cola. And I think depending on where you're at in the country, this will work even better. Okay, so here's the packaging for that little swamp cola. Right there. Get it straight, boy. There you go. Hey, the van is looking dirty as all get-go. All the blood splatters from the mosquitoes. They were drinking blood. And yeah, it's time to clean this. Definitely time to clean it and do some touch-ups. But yeah, I absolutely love this thing. Gotta do one more change on the inside. This piece is gonna come off. I'm gonna build something else to go there. We'll see how that goes. Well, kind of a rambling video today, but thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing. Yeah, this is the piece that is gonna come off. I'm gonna build something nice there. We'll see how it goes. So like I said, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I'll catch you on the flip side.